Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick update on the two concrete piers brick piers that I was building, and then I was going to encase the aluminum support for the lanai with cedar. As you can see, that's the cedar wood right there. You can see it, but I went all the way up, and on the top I did a wrap around with the same width dimension of the boards, which is 5.5, and then on the bottom I went with a 3.5. Okay, you can see, and same thing on the other one. And then of course, as a finish, I caulked everything, all the joints. Why does it look so dark? Caulked all the joints, all the seams, especially on this one here, because this rain can come in. Eventually these columns are going to get painted by the customer. As you can see on the top, I did the same thing, and all the way around, went back and filled in all the little screw and nail holes with caulking all the way around. The reason for the caulking finish is because that way when it comes time to paint, it's going to be easier for the paint to fill in all the minor gaps. Like these long gaps right here, they were very small, probably less than 1/8 of an inch wide, maybe 1/16 of an inch. But I figured, you know what, and because the wood was really dry, some of it twisted a little bit, but all in all, it came out really good. Customers are really happy with the outcome of what everything looks like. And like I said, as you can see, the patio tile is of the same color as the brick, so it's like a nice transition. And then also on their jacuzzi pool, as you can see, there you go, there's the brick colors right there, so everything kind of ties in together. The finished height on the brick pier ended up being like 20, let's see, 19 plus, yeah, about 20 1/4, including the mortar joint and then the little cap that I decided to go with, or we decided to go with right there. But as you can see, like I said, it's a nice transition. I guess they're gonna come and paint. That's the golf course right there that all these guys play, and then when they shoot the ball, sometimes it comes right through right through the screening right there. That's supposed to keep the leaves out, but the stuff is all torn up, and they're gonna replace it, obviously. But anyway, guys, there you go. There's the finished product right there. And also, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the front, and I'll show you guys that in a second.